Unboxing this 4-pack of smart Wi-Fi LED bulbs from Meross. It works with Apple HomeKit, it also works with Samsung SmartThings, Google Home and also Samsung Alexa. It sports 16 million colors, goes also from warm white to cool daylight, has a brightness of 800 lumens and is a 60 watt replacement, or in this case a 9 watt LED. The whole pack cost me 47 or 48 euros. In this pack now we find this LED bulbs, and well, this is what they look like. Each and every one of them ideally now can be scheduled on in different patterns, so basically each and every one of them is a separate smart device. This, in comparison, is a normal light bulb. So as we take the smart bulb and the normal light bulb, we see that there is something probably in here that is the smart thing. So both fit into the normal lamp or bulb sockets, and there is a classification which you can look up. So there are different kinds of sockets which you can find, and this is the 27mm ones, which is the E27. So E for something and then 27 for the millimeters of the diameter of this here. Now, for the purpose of showing you what this actually looks like, if we just plug it in normally, because I cannot plug it in already with my smart home, because the hub I bought is not ready yet. It is locked by a mobile carrier, and I'm trying to figure out this issue. So now this here is an old one and this is a smart one. Now, of course, I should maybe remove also the old one, because otherwise it will also shine. These ones are very warm white, and now it seems to switch between very cold light but also very warm light, which you might see in a few seconds. Compared to the other ones, it is very bright. The other ones I have are from IKEA and they are 55 watt equivalents. So these only should be 5 watts brighter. But of course, watts is not a measure of brightness, only a proxy previously. Now, this unboxing is part of my plan to turn my home into a slightly smarter home, which I might reveal in the next video. For this plan, I still need an additional 3 packs of these, so I need an additional 16 bulbs, and that then basically sums up all the different kind of bulbs I need. Now, the idea is to also replace my studio lights, which you see up here, and they have previously also LED, not LED, but these energy saving bulbs in them, and they basically began to be defective one after the other, apart from the whole softbox, which after now I think about 4 or 5 years, probably due to UV radiation, begins to fall apart. So I might also have to update these. The idea is to wake myself also up with light, and therefore wake up basically without the nasty noise of an alarm clock by turning these automatically on, scheduled. As the day varies from summer to winter to spring to fall, the circadian rhythm also changes. But if I still want to work the same kind of time, and in summer there is more daylight and in winter there is less daylight, I still need light. Light also, according to Andrew Huberman, increases alertness. So the more light you potentially have, the better. But now the problem is, if you have something that is very bright, or also something that is more on the cooler side, more on the bluish side, and you have very bright light in the evening, then you have 2 effects that keep you then from properly sleeping, from properly producing melatonin, the sleep hormone. The first thing is the brightness. The second thing is the color temperature of light. Cool light is bluish, warm light is yellowish. The idea is to have like an alarm that is like, okay, now stand up, all lights go on, ideally at full brightness. Additionally, I have ideas for maybe including a sensor, a movement or motion sensor, to do different things and to do different automations with the app. But this I will discuss in the next video, since this is not just about these Meross light bulbs.